Ngak.
Hello.
Can you
Hello, Jay.
hear teacher? Can
Yes.
you Oh yes, okay. Is my
Hello,
voice
Jay. Hello,
clear?
Jay.
Hello.
Hello. Can
Can,
you
yes.
can you hear now?
Yes. Yes, I can hear you. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello,
You.
Ngak.
Okay, okay.
Good
Start.
evening, Ngak, and welcome again to our class for today. So,
Hello.
hello, how are you today, Ngak?
I'm good.
You're good. And did you already eat your dinner? Did you
Okay.
already eat? Yes
Mm,
or no?
yeah.
Yes. And are you ready for today's lesson? Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. So we will start our lesson for today. So for our lesson for today, Ngo, so we are still at Unit 2, home. But for this one, so we will practice your listening and speaking. So we will listen to stories and we will practice your speaking. So are you ready? Are
Mm,
you
yes.
Yes,
Yes.
okay. Let's go with our next page. Okay, so let's watch a video. Okay, so tell teacher if you can hear the sound, okay?
Hey, let's sing a song about in front of, behind.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay, let's start again the video.
Hey, let's sing a song about in front of, behind, and between. In front of, behind, 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 between. Where's the dog?
In front of the house.
Where's the duck?
Behind the fence.
Where's the mouse? Between the trees. In front of, behind, between. Where's the frog?
In front of the shoe.
Where's the goat?
Behind the truck.
Where's the ant? Between the rocks. In front of, behind, between. 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 In front of, behind, between.
Okay, so that is our video. So we will talk about in this lesson the preposition in front of, behind, and
And between.
between. Very good. So these are prepositions. So it tells us where something is. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so for this activity, so you will look and answer. Okay, so let's take a look with this frog. Where is the frog?
The frog is between the
It's rocks. Between the
frog.
rocks. Yeah, so the frog is between the rocks. So as we can see, let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, so very good. So our answer is between. So as we can see, the frog is in the middle. So when we say between, so it is in the middle of two things, like in the picture. The frog is between the two rocks. So very good. So next, let's go with our next picture. Oh, Let's move this one. Okay, so where is the dog? I mean the frog. The dog. Where is the frog?
The frog is in front of in front of the rock.
Yes, very good. The frog is in front of the rock. Is it rock or rocks with an S?
Mm,
With S or without?
mm, mm,
With, it is with S because as you can see, so there are two rocks behind the frog. So we will use with X, which is in its plural form. The plural form of rock is is rocks. So we will use
yeah.
and we will add an S because there are two rocks. So very good. So the answer for this one is in front. So very good. So when we say in front, so this frog, it is ahead of something. So there is something behind it. So we will use the preposition in front of. Okay, so next. Yes. So next, where is this frog?
The frog is behind the tree.
Very good. So the frog is behind the tree. So we will use the preposition behind because the frog is at the it is at the back or the back of the tree. So when we use the preposition behind, so the thing or our subject is at the back of something. So we will use this preposition. So behind. So very good. So the frog is behind the tree. So now let's practice more of your skill when using this preposition. So let's go with our next page. Oh, we have more actually. What will be the answer to this one? The frog is, what is the preposition for when we say below something? Do you know the preposition? It starts with
The
letter
frog
U.
is
The
the frog is mm,
starts with letter
in
U.
front of
Are you
the tree.
are you sure it is in front? How about the preposition? Do you know the preposition that tells something is below of something? So the preposition that we will use is, so let's take a look,
In front
is under. So we will use under the tree because as we can see, so the frog, it is below the tree. So the tree is above of the frog. So we will use the word under when something is below something. So now let's practice more of your the preposition or how to use this
yeah.
preposition in different kinds of situations. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so for this one, you will look and write. So where is the cat? So let's take a look with the first or number one. So where is the cat? Is
The
it
task is
it?
is
Is it behind, between, under, or in front of?
mm, uh, in front of
Front?
the in front of the
What do you call this one?
the
Very, Very good. So it's or the cat is in front of the door. Very good. So let's take a look with number 2. Where is the cat? It
Um,
is
There is the cat is under the bed.
very good. It's it's under the bed. How about number 3? So where is the cat?
The cat is behind the
Behind the
sofa.
Very good. It's behind the sofa. How about the cat in number 4? Where is the cat?
The cat is between the dog.
Very good. Very good. Yes. So we will add how many dogs are there in the picture?
Is 2 dogs.
2 dogs. So what do we use? Is it dog or dogs?
Dogs.
Dogs. Very good. So we will add S because it is the plural form of dog. So we will add S. Okay, so next. Very good for this activity. So you had all the correct answers. So next, let's go with our third activity. So for this one, you will draw your house by your friends. But first, let's read what the what the boy and the girl says. So let's read
The
this one.
where the computer. Okay, what color is on the desk? Okay, that color is blue.
Very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say what. What? Okay, so this word
White.
is yes, very good. It's what. So now, can you try or do you want to try drawing a house? Or do you want to draw a house? And let's try using the prepositions with what you draw. So let's draw a house. Okay.
Teacher, may I go to toilet?
Okay, sure. Go to toilet. Okay. Hello. Hello
Okay.
again. Are you already done going to toilet?
Okay.
Okay, let's draw. So let's draw
Okay.
a house and we will use the prepositions that we have learned. So let's go with this one.
Go.
So teacher will also draw. Oops. There. The dog. In front of, behind, under. Cat Okay.
Okay.
Oh no, why did you delete? Okay, so teacher has a question nga. Okay, so let's take a look with our first drawing. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is under the cat.
Very good. The mouse is under the cat. How about in this drawing? Where is the cat?
The cat is um the cat is in front of the house.
Very good. The cat is in front of the house. Very good. How about the dog? Where is the dog?
The dog is behind the tree.
Very good. Wow. Okay, so now can you draw something and we will answer? We will answer the prepositions that you will draw. Or do you want to
The go.
draw something? You can draw one and let's answer what you will draw. Okay, so teacher will delete her drawing. Let me delete my drawings. Okay, so you can draw with those space. And let us practice the prepositions. What do you want to draw? Do you want to draw a house also?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. Go, go, go. You can do it.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, there's a
Yeah.
house.
Eh,
Is your drawing done?
Yes.
Okay, so what is this one?
Hmm.
Is this an
is this is
is, is that a horse or a dog
mm,
or an animal? What animal is that?
mm, this is the animal.
Animal. That is an animal. And where? Oh, you delete?
So this is the animal.
This is that's not an animal? Okay. So you will draw something or we should proceed on the next slide? We will go on the next slide. Okay,
This is a
okay, go,
house.
go. A house.
Mm, this is a cat.
A cat. Okay, so Ngok, where is the cat?
The cat is in front of the house.
Wow, very good. So the cat is in front of the house. So very good. Good job in this activity. So next, let's go with our next page. Take a look with our next activity. So for this activity, you will listen and you will draw a line. So where is the objects? So let's listen first.
Listening 8. Listen
Uh,
and draw these things in the picture.
Look, Anne. This is Sam's room. Where's the box?
it's in front of the door.
In front of the door. Yes. And there's a computer on Sam's desk. Where?
Okay.
On Sam's desk.
Okay, so where is the box? Where is the box, Ngok?
Hmm.
The box is. You want to listen again? Okay.
The,
Okay, let's listen once again.
Look, Anne. This is Sam's room. Where's the box?
it's in front of the door.
In front of the door.
Yes.
Okay, so where is the box? This one.
In front of the door. In front of. In front. What? Huh?
The box is in front of.
The box is in front of the door. The door.
In front of the door.
Very good. So can you point where is in front of the door? Very good. So have draw a line. Can you draw a line?
Yeah.
Draw a line. Like this one. Chin. Okay, that is our first one. So the box is in front of the door. So let's move on to the second object.
Yes. And there's a computer on Sam's desk.
Where?
On Sam's desk. Under the window.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so where is the computer, Ngok? It's
Yes.
okay. Let's listen again. One more time.
Where?
On Sam's desk. Under the window.
Oh, okay.
Okay, where is the computer?
Is
Is under. Very good. Under the. What is this?
window.
Very good. It's under the window. Good job. So next, let's go with the next object.
But where's Sam's radio?
Oh, it's behind the door.
Pardon?
It's behind the door.
Really? On the floor?
Yes, that's right. On the floor behind the door.
Oh, okay then.
There's a
Okay, so where is Sam's radio?
Sam?
Radio. This one. Radio. Okay, let's listen once again.
behind the door.
Really?
It's behind the door.
Radio. Okay. But where's Sam's radio?
Oh, it's behind the door.
Pardon?
It's behind the door.
Really? On the floor?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, where is Sam's radio?
This is.
Is
This is. The radio is behind the door.
very good. Behind the door. Where is behind the door? Can you draw a line?
Okay.
Okay.
Tick, 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 tick.
Very good. Very good. So next, let's listen to let's listen to the next object.
On the floor behind the door.
Oh, okay then.
There's a clock between the window and the door.
Between what? Sorry?
Between the window and the door.
Oh, yes, there is.
Okay, so now Ngok, where is the clock?
The clock is between
The
the window. No,
Window and
window and oh, this is this is
this one. Yes, between the window and what is this? And
a
the
door.
door. Very good. So next, let's listen to the next object.
And on the wall next to the picture, there's a cupboard.
Really? And is there a lamp under it?
Yes, there is.
Okay.
And look, there's
Okay, so where is the cupboard? Where is the cupboard?
This is
The cupboard
this is
is. Where is that? The cupboard is. What is the preposition that we will use
oh wait.
for this one? The cupboard is.
This is
What is the preposition? Is it next to, between,
between
Between- between the?
between the window and picture.
Very good. Between the window and the picture. Good job. And the last one is the word cat. So let's listen. Where is the cat?
There is. Okay. And look, there's Sam's cat, Chippy.
Where is it, Nick?
Under the bed.
Where?
Look, under the bed.
Oh yes.
Okay, so where is the cat?
The cat is under
Under the?
under the bed.
Very good. The cat is under the bed. Good job. So good job in listening with our story and completing your sentences. So now let's go with our next activity. So we will again practice these prepositions that we learned today. So let's go with okay, so these are the answers. So now let's proceed with our next activity. So let's read the activity. It's okay, let's read furniture. Furniture and prepositions. Let's read furniture. Yes, in the living room. This one. Furniture and prepositions
Preposition.
of place. Okay, so for this one, we will have the activity which is in the living room. So we will use the prepositions of place that we have learned right now and we have learned last time. So let's go. So let's listen.
Armchair. Armchair. Armchair.
Okay, what is our first word?
Armchair.
Very good. Good
This is
job.
armchair. This is
Yes,
armchair.
that is the armchair. Good job. And let's take a look. So this one is the armchair. Where is the armchair? This one. Where is the armchair? This will be your choices. Is it next to the bookcase, near the window, or beside the fireplace? Where is it? Is it letter A, B, or C?
Next to a bookcase.
Huh? Where is
Next to
this
the bookcase.
the armchair? Are you
Next
sure?
to
Okay, let's look at the bookcase. So where is the bookcase? Is it
no,
next to
not here,
the armchair? Yes or no?
not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here.
Yes, where is the armchair? It
Okay.
is
Uh,
this
Beside the fireplace.
fireplace. Fireplace. One more time, let's say fireplace. Let's say fireplace.
Fireplace.
Yes, very good. So the answer is beside the fireplace. So this one, Ngok, so this is a cupboard. So we say it as cupboard. Yes. So next, let's go with our next furniture. Let's listen.
Family photo. Family photo.
Where?
Family photo.
Family photo.
Family photo. Very good. And where
This
yes,
is
where is the family photo? Is it on the wall, on the table, or on the shelf?
on
Hmm.
the table.
Is it on the table? What do we call this one? What do we call this? This is the
Wow.
wall. Yes. So where is the family photo?
Family photo
Is on-
on the wall.
very good. So the family photo is on the wall. Good job. So next. Okay, so let's listen with our next furniture.
Rug.
What is our next furniture?
Rug. Rug.
Rug. So we call this also a, what do we
Rug.
call, what is the other name for the rug? It is mat. Very good. So we also call it as a mat. So now, yes, very good. This is the mat. So where is the mat or the rug? Where is the mat? Is it on the right of the room? In the middle of the room? Or on the left of the room? So when we say on the right, so it is here. When we say
In
on,
the middle of the room.
very good, it's in the middle. So when we say in the middle, so it is also same as between. So very good. So it is in the middle of the room. So good job. So next.
Bookcase. Bookcase.
Okay, what is our next furniture?
Bookcase.
Very good. Where is the bookcase, Ngok?
This is
Very good. And where is the bookcase? Is it behind the sofa, next to the door, or near the chair?
behind the sofa.
Very good. So it is behind the sofa. Good job. So next furniture.
Reading lamp. Reading lamp. Reading lamp.
Okay, where? Yes, reading lamp.
This
Yes,
is
this is very good. This is the reading lamp. Okay, let's go back. This is the reading lamp. And where is the reading lamp? Is it in the coffee table, over the coffee table, or on the coffee table?
On the coffee table.
Very good. So it is on the coffee table because it is in the top
Yeah.
of the coffee table. Very good. So next, let's listen to our next furniture.
Wall clock. Wall clock.
What is the next furniture? It is. What is our
wall
wall
clock?
clock? Where is, very good. Where is the wall clock? Very good. So this is the wall clock. And where is it? Is it under the pot plant, over the pot plant, or on the pot plant? So when we say over, so it means above something. So where is the wall clock?
Wait a minute. This.
Is it under
Oh.
the pot plant?
Over.
Very good. It is over the pot plant because as you can see, so it is above this pot plant. So good job. So next,
Painting. Painting.
what is our next word?
Pink.
Painting. And where is painting?
Painting.
Where is the painting?
Wow.
Is this a painting? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, it is a painting. So this is our painting or picture. So where is the picture? Is it next to the fireplace, near the chair, over the TV set? What is the answer now? It is where is the picture? Is it A, B, or C?
See?
Over the TV set? This is the TV set.
Oh, near the chair.
This is the chair.
Oh,
Where is it? It's
next to the fireplace.
very good. So it's next to the fireplace. So remember, Ngok, when answering these questions or when answering where is the object, so you will look in the near object of where is it or where it is. Like this one, it is nearest the fireplace. And we have the option next to the fireplace. So as we take a look in the picture, so the picture is next to the fireplace. So very good. So nice try. Okay, so next, let's go with our next furniture. This will be our last furniture.
Coffee table.
Coffee table.
Coffee table.
Where is the coffee table? Very good. This is the coffee table. Where is it? Is it beside the sofa, under the rug, or in front of the armchair? Which is the nearest?
Under the rug.
Under the rug? The coffee
No.
table is so. Let's have more examples because I can see because I can see that you are somehow confused. But let's try something. This one. Let's have our next furniture.
Shelf. Shelf. Shelf.
Shelf. Where is the shelf?
Wait. This is
When we say shelf, it is, yes, very good. That is the shelf. And where is the shelf? Is it over the chair? This is the chair. Is it next to the cupboard or near the TV set? This is the chair. This is the armchair.
the TV show. Oh,
Is it A, B, or C?
T,
Letter?
E,
Yes, very good. So this is the cupboard. So the cupboard is nearest the shelf and it's next to the shelf. So that is our answer. Very good. So next, let's have one more. So let's
sofa,
sofa. Where is the sofa? Where is the sofa? The sofa is, where is the sofa?
wait. This is a sofa.
Very good. This is the sofa. And is the sofa behind the window, opposite the TV set, or on the right side? So when
On
we,
the right?
are you sure?
Wait. No, wait. The
Yes, yes, very good. The teacher is just confusing you. So, very good. So, the sofa is on the right side. Yes, because behind the window, so as we can take a look in the picture, so this is the window and this is the sofa. So, which means the sofa is in front, not behind the window. And when we say opposite the TV set, so opposite means across from. The opposite of the TV set is the chair. So very good. So it is on the right side. So good job. So good job for this a lesson for today, for our preposition lesson for today. Good job, Ngok. And I can see that you are somehow confused with the prepositions because I know that it might be a lot. We have a lot of prepositions, especially like last time we have rock, paper, scissors. So for this one, Ngok, so teacher suggests that you practice more of answering prepositions, okay? So that you can familiarize yourself. Okay, Ngok? Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, Ngok, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.